Alright guys, so I presented at ADL and I had a lot of questions about my intro videos that I make. So as I told you guys, I am going to show you guys really quick how to do that. So the program that I use looks like this. So it's Adobe Premiere. My school district actually provides it for free. So definitely inquire about that with your district because they might already offer it for free. So here's what it looks like. So how I start off is usually with video, right? So let's say I wanted to make a video. What you want to do, because there's free videos that you can use, and there's other ways to find videos too. But here's what I like to use called Pixabay. So definitely in my teaching, I use this quite a bit, and you can search for all sorts of images, photos, but obviously the one that I want to is videos that I'm looking for. So let's say I was teaching about, I don't know, pirates. So let's say I was teaching about pirates. You can see here they have all sorts of different videos which you can use. Now some of them are going to be free, some of them are going to cost money. So the ones with green screen, this one's really cool because I can show you guys how to remove a background as well. So all you got to do is put free download. You download it. It downloads onto your computer. You open it, right? So this is what it looks like. Okay, so what you can do is you go to here to your files. You go to downloads, and you're going to find it right here, right? The latest thing that you downloaded. So this one downloaded as flag. So I'm just going to grab it, put it on my desktop. So I open up Adobe Premiere, and what you want to do is simply you're going to drag it onto onto this section of Adobe Premiere. Okay, so this gives you the image. So what you can do is there's two ways of downloading this image. Now this image doesn't have any sound, right? So it's just a video image of the flag. So you're going to drag here how it says drag video only. So I'm going to drag that, drop it here onto my timeline. Now this feature, especially if you are doing direct instruction kind of video, which is usually or not usually, but one of the types of videos that I do. I usually record behind a green screen. That way I can put myself in different areas, right? If I'm teaching about the Mayans, I could, put a jungle background. So right now I'm going to show you guys how to remove all the green from your green screen or from this image that I'm using here. So what you want to do is you want to click on that image here down on the timeline, or that video, I should say. You go to effects. Okay, so you go to video effects over here on the right, video effects, you go to keying, and then you go to ultra key, and then you're going to drag it. Okay, you're going to click on it, you're going to left click on it, drag it down here, and put it on top of there, right? So it'll turn purple. Then you're going to grab here this instrument. By the way, like I told you guys, I'm definitely not an expert at this. I've watched other videos on how they do this. That's how I learned. So there's plenty of videos out there for this, but let me show you guys real quick. So you can grab this thing here, you're going to click on the green, and boom, now you got this really cool image that has that got rid of all the green in the back, right? So just to show you guys kind of how this works, let's just find a random image on Google. Let's put I don't know, ocean. So let's say you wanted, for some reason you wanted that flag to be in front of an ocean. So you're just going to grab the image, right? You save the image on your desktop, you save it. Okay, now you go back here. So again, you go to, I always like to go back to learning. So now I'm going to drag that image that I just downloaded onto my desktop onto here. And now I have this image. So again, I'm going to put drag video only, or image in this case. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it under, oops, so I already messed up. So whatever you put so there's three different layers, so to speak, right? There's three different levels. There's this level right here, this one right here, and then there's a top one over here. Whatever's most at the top is what's going to show on here. But check this out. If you put this image on top of the other one, now you have a really cool kind of looking image here, or video. I keep saying image, video here. So now you can have the flag in front of that image that you chose right here, right? So again, you can be the person in here, and you can have this background, right? So to show you guys how that would look like, because I think it would be kind of cool looking. Let me show you guys. Oh, I usually don't save one with me in the background. Yeah, but again, it would work the same as if the flag was you, right? You would just put it on top of the image down here, and you have again this cool looking video here. So now, usually in my intro videos, right, I would have different clips of different things, different types of videos, and usually what I like to do is I like to put, exciting music. So one thing you could do is you can go on YouTube. Now you have to create an account, right? So as long as you have a Google account, you should be able you should have a YouTube channel even if you don't use it. So what you want to do to get free music is you go down here. So again, you make a Google account, and that automatically is going to give you a YouTube channel, so to speak. Again, it doesn't mean you have to publish videos or anything like that. Everyone has one that has a Google account. So you're going to go over here where it says audio library, and now you have all sorts of different tracks you can use. So you can find, and even sound effects, right, that you can use. So let's say we're using a pirate theme here. So let's search up something with pirates. So see, we have different kinds of music here. Let's hear a couple. Okay. So let's say we wanted to use this image, or this song. You're gonna go down here, or on the right hand side where it says download. You're gonna click download. It's going to download over here. So similar to when we downloaded the video, you're going to go. So first you're going to click on it. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, so you're going to go here to this folder, and you're going to go to downloads again. So it should be downloaded. So here it is, Emerald of the Seas. Put it on your desktop real quick. Exit out. Go back to Adobe Premiere. And again, as always, you're going to want to drag it here. So you're going to want to make sure you're in Learning, right? Because if you're in Effects, for example, it's going to look like this, right? So you don't have nowhere to drag this new this song that you're about to use. So you go back to Learning, and then you're going to get the song that's now on your desktop, and you're going to copy it on here. You're going to just drag it on there. And now again, you're not going to use the video because this is not a video. This is just a sound, right? So you're going to go right here where it says drag audio only. And you're going to click on it and drag it down right here. Right? And now you got this cool looking video, right? Okay, so again, just to show you guys really quick, right? What I like to do when I'm making videos is I don't like to just use one video or one clip because that's kind of boring. So I like to use different clips, different videos. So for example, this was one that I've actually used before, and it looks pretty cool. So this is again free download. You download it. Okay, it downloads here. You just open it. Okay, so here we have the image, or sorry, I keep saying image, the video. You go right here to the folder, you go to downloads, ship. I'm going to just drag it onto my desktop. Boom, now it's on my desktop. Go back to Adobe Premiere. I'm going to drag that video right here again. Again, I'm only going to drag the video only. So I'm going to drag that. And now, if let's say I place it on here, again, now that's going to cover up the other video, right? So now the other video is gone because now this video is on top of it. So what we got to do is you got to move it to the side, okay, and put it next to the video. Okay, so this is getting kind of complicated because I have this other image. So I'm going to just go ahead and erase this image and just use only videos here so you can kind of see how it works. So here we have the flag. So once it reaches the end right here, once it reaches this end, it's actually going to start playing the other video. Okay, so check it out. Okay. And if you ever want to cut a video, if you're like, oh, I don't like that part, it's like I can't see the boat, or for whatever reason, you're going to go right here to the razor tool. I'm going to click on that, and then you're going to put a cut. It's like if it was a knife, right? I'm going to cut it right here. Boom. Then you're going to go over here to the arrow. You're going to click on this part. You see how it's highlighted? That's showing you that that's the clip that you're using. And you're simply going to erase. You're going to delete it with using your keyboard. Boom, delete it. And now, again, you put it right next to it. And now you have that part, right? So, again, make sure it's right next to it, because if it's not, then it's going to go into a blank, okay? So it's going to go blank, and then it's going to go on there, right? So that is basically the way that I do my different videos. So let me know if you guys have any questions. I know it seems so complicated, right? There's so many buttons and there's so many things you can do with Adobe Premiere. Again, I can do other videos with this. So there's a lot of other videos that are already made on the topic, but there's so many things that you can do with Adobe Premiere. You can just go on YouTube and search up how do I, for example, enter a graphic or use a graphic on Adobe Premiere. So for example, let me just give you an example since I already mentioned it. Why not? So this is one that I like to use because I think it's kind of cool. So again, you want to put this next graphic or video, whatever you use, whatever you put on top, it's going to go on top of, right? So let's say I drag it down here, there's nothing there, right? Right? Why? Because it's in the bottom of this image. So it works kind of like a stack, right? Like layers. So whatever's on top is what's going to get seen first. So if I put this on here, now we have the words or the title that I'm going to use here on top of here. So, then you just double click it and you can put whatever you want, right? Teaching Juntos, right? Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys like the video, all that good stuff, right? If you like this video, if you want me to make other videos like this, let me know in the comments if you have any questions. And now look at this. This is what it looks like now. So now you have a cool little graphic, and of course you're gonna double click right there and you put the episode name, whatever, right, you want to put, and now you got yourself a pretty cool little video here, right? So again, you can play with this. You can do a lot of different things. Definitely be creative. And again, if you guys have any questions or if you want another video like this on another topic dealing with the videos and how I make them, just let me know in the comments below. But with that, I'm going to go ahead and end it here. Thank you guys for watching.